Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Assistive Touch is off to confirm with Face ID. Turn on Assistive Touch in settings. So let's get started. So guys, first click on OK button and then go to home screen. Now open settings menu on your iPhone. On the settings menu, scroll down and tap on accessibility. On the accessibility menu, scroll down and tap on touch. On the touch menu, tap on assistive touch at the top of the page. Here, scroll down again and turn off confirm with assistive touch. Re-enable double click turn off confirm with assistive touch will require you to re-enable double click to make secure payment. Click on use double click. Now go back to App Store and install your favorite app. Click on install. Now it will ask your Apple ID password. So enter your Apple ID password here. So guys, as you can see, the problem has been resolved in my iPhone and the application is installing now.